Hi, Martin here. Today I'm going to show you how to use one of these Harbor Freight plastic welding kits. This is a 80-watt iron, and I bought this because I had a project at home. I was building my own ram air system for my Jeep Grand Cherokee, and I was going to do a lot of cutting, and I kind of needed be able to weld the plastic back together because of the plastic that I was removing. I had to cover up the holes that I was making. So ran down to Harbor Freight, got this, and I'm going to show you some stuff that you can do with this and some clips of videos while I was building this project here and how well it worked out for me. Alright, let's get started. Alright, I'll open this up. Now, of course, it comes with the iron. I've got a few hours on this thing already. And then it comes with a stand. Comes with the plastic welding rods. And this is the one I've been using the whole time because I've been working with black. And then stainless steel brush to clean whatever you're working on. Some reinforcement mesh. And then it also comes with your green, gray, and white plastic welding rods. And some instructions. I'm going to just fill this in right here. See how that goes. I think that looks pretty good. Yeah, that turns out nice and hard. Now I probably could do the same right here. Just take that welder and just weld all that together. Oh, there we go. I think that turned out all right. Okay, what I've done is taken a little piece of that, cut it, and I'm going to plastic weld it right into there. Right, that takes care of that portion of it. Alright, I cut out a piece of plastic right here and placed it. And what I'm doing is just using the plastic that I cut out of these other spots. And then I just cut them and shape them. Alright, it's coming along. Turned out pretty good. You know, I think the only thing that would maybe do a better job than this is a hot air plastic welder. Would be kind of nice. I think that definitely speed things up. Okay, here's a little trick. I took a heat gun. Working fast here. A heat gun, heated up a piece of plastic just to fill in that last hole. It's starting to get hard on me already. I think I can work with that. There we have it. Alright, you can see that it works rather well. I mean, for $16, I think it's kind of a bargain. The only problem I've ever had with it, that these 3 Phillips screws right here have come loose while I'm welding. I tightened them up and ever since then it hasn't ever given me a problem. If it does happen to you, I'd just be cautious. Remember, this is screwed into plastic, and not to over tighten it. But other than that, the thing works great. So, I mean, I give it a thumbs up. Well, thanks for watching. And if you've never subscribed to me before, please do so. Just hit that subscribe button right down there, the little icon of me. And right next to it is a little bell symbol. Hit that, and that way you get notifications of any new videos that I got coming out. Alright, well, thanks for watching.